Matariki, the star cluster, that it comes at this time of the year, signals the Māori New Year. Each of those stars pertain to aspects of the taiao, and I think it reminds us that we are in relationship with our environment, and recognising that relationship and being reminded of our responsibilities as kaitiaki of the whenua, of the wai, is a good thing, I think. Really reconnecting more strongly to all of those things is really what Matariki has brought to me.
The ability to acknowledge those that have passed is really important to me, and I'm big on dreams, hopes and aspirations. I got sober through he Waka Tapu, and before that time I didn't have hopes, dreams and aspirations, so now I get to kind of acknowledge those.
A beautiful morning and the stars were out for us, and lovely to have everybody gather around from the hapori, have some kai and korero, and yeah, just really enjoy celebrating Matariki.
Mānawatia a Matariki kia koutou katoa, as we celebrate Te Taupu Māori. We hope that your dreams and aspirations are realised as we move forward into the new year.